Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss four stocks that are going to be added in S&P 500 very soon, and there are some interesting names in that. I want to also discuss some stocks that are going to be taken off of S&P 500 and how all these phenomena are going to affect these stocks. I'm going to discuss each stock in detail, and we'll see what that stock is and how the price is going to be impacted by this new S&P 500 edition. So with all that, let's start. Okay, so before we dig deeper, right, I just want to quickly reiterate what happens when a stock gets added to the S&P 500, right? And this is called index effect. So stocks added to the S&P 500 often see a significant price move. Usually it will be positive, okay? And the second is index funds and ETFs tracking the S&P 500. They are actually forced to buy this newly added stock, and that's what makes this stock move in the upward direction. Okay, and third is removed stocks get sold off, right, creating a supply pressure that moves the price down. So that's what we're gonna see. Also see how you can maybe take the advantage on the other direction for the stocks which are going to get removed, right? So because they are going to have a lot of selling pressure, and then it does not change the fundamentals that you need to be aware of, that any of these that does not change the fundamental, but it does change the demand and supply dynamics. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna go one by one in each of these stocks, and let me know if in the comments below if you are interested in or you're already in a position in any of these stocks. So with that, let's go to the first one. Okay, so the first one is actually VRT, right? Ticker symbol VRT. That's Vertiv, and that's currently priced at around 257. And their 52-week high was about 264, I believe. And they are a dividend paying stock. Yeah, they are actually a dividend paying stock. They do pay dividends, as you can see, right? Now, in terms of company, right, they are basically designs, manufacture, and services. They critical the digital infrastructure for the data centers. Okay, and their products includes power management, thermal management, and integrated rack systems. Okay, and they serve a lot of data centers, communication networks, and industrial environments. And this is actually it moved up after if you look at, right, after the announcement, it kind of moved up, and it's on right now in kind of a consolidation mode, and they are all gonna start trading with the S&P edition starting March 23rd, right? So that's the thing. So Vertiv is basically in terms of the company, as I said, they're basically a data center infrastructure space, right? They make the power management, cooling system, all the critical stuffs that a data center needs, right? And that's gonna be a big theme of because of the AI and things, right? That's gonna be a big theme, and that's why there is a good performance that we can expect on this, right? And in the last some years, right, that's what you're gonna see. So if you look at here, right, it was kind of on this dormant state, and then suddenly in last year or so, it's kind of moved up, right? It's an insane growth that they are seeing, and that's why S&P 500 edition is gonna further boost this. So do look at this, guys. This is pretty interesting play, especially since it's in a data space. Now, what it is replacing? Okay, so this is gonna replace ticker symbol MATCH, that match, that's the dating site. That's the one that's it's gonna replace. And as you can see, it's not doing too good, right? So it's gonna be go down. So if you are in the selling side of it, that could be a good buy. Now, next one is LITE. That's Lumentum. And let's look at the price action, right? So same similar thing. It's again on this the whole AI ecosystems. So this is similar pattern, right? It came like here, and now suddenly for the last in fact, this is like this year is straight away going up, right? And it kind of cooling down, but it again, because of the S&P 500 edition, it's moving up, right? Now, as a company, right, the key points would be here. They provide optical and phonetic products, and again, they are also in cloud and networking segment. So the Lumentum is basically is in the optical and phonetic space. They have two main segments. Okay, industrial tech segment, which does all kinds of lasers, and they have seen a growth of almost 822% in a year and 526% in 5 years, right? So all of that, most of it came from the last year, right? So if you wanna learn more about that, you can definitely check out what they make and go through their website. It's a very, again, interesting play in that whole cloud and tech space, right? So same thing, this is also gonna be added in S&P 500. Now what it is replacing, right? So it's gonna replace a stock called ticker symbol MOH. That's Molina Healthcare. So this is the one that's gonna, you will see the reverse of that, because this gonna be going down compared to the other one, right? So if you are in a selling side, you can definitely take a look at this, but I would personally stick with those names which are getting added, because they're, you know, that they have a potential to go up further. Okay, third one is ticker symbol COHR. That's coherent, right? So they are also uh, doing pretty good, right? You can see they have almost 288% growth here. Again, everything is kind of cooling off right now. That's why you see this, but this also has a good momentum, right? Now, in terms of company, right, Coherent is another one in that laser and optic space, right? They do engineered materials, optoelectronic components, and lasers for industrial and communication markets. And three segments they mostly operates in, that's networking, materials, and lasers, right? So they are those are the three segments that they operate in. And as I showed, right, they have a good momentum going on for them, and being added in S&P 500 is gonna give them further boost. Now, what it is replacing, right? So this is actually replacing uh, ticker symbol LW. That's Lamb Western. That's the ticker that is gonna replace. Similar thing, you see that it's going down. If you are on the reverse play, to look at it, but I would stick to the former one, which is the one that is getting added. Now the final one, right? And that is ticker symbol SATS. That's Echo Star Corporation. Same thing you see here. There's a good momentum in last couple of years, I would say. 300 almost 300% in last year. Now in terms of company, EcoStar is telecommunication company, right? They specialize in satellite communication, wireless, and internet services. And you probably know some of their subsidiaries, like the Dish Network, right? So Dish Network, Boost Mobile, Sling TV. So they are basically the parent company. If you say that these are the brands and they operates in, they are the parent company. So they also they are pretty big player in like a telecom space. Most of these names would be familiar to you. So this is again a very good addition in S&P 500, and you will see a good momentum here too. Now, what it is replacing, right? So it's replacing ticker symbol PAYC. It's Paycom, and you will see a similar pattern here. It's going down, and it's gonna further go down. So if you're in the selling side of it, you do take advantage of it. So again, guys, in summary, all these changes will take effect prior to the market open on Monday, March 24th. And here's the quick summary. The VRT, that's Vertib, replaces Match. Second is the Light, that's Lumentum, that replacing Molina Health Care. Then Coherent, that's replacing the Lamb Western. Then the SATS, that's replaces the PY Z. That's Paycom. Okay, guys, so that was it for this video. If you have any questions about any of these stocks, do put your questions down in the comment below and I will respond to that. Anything related to options or anything, definitely check out my channel, subscribe to it. There's a lot of good content and I'm gonna add more and more content around that, right? So with that, I'm closing this one. Happy investing. Bye bye.